Oh, it's so cold up here you can see in the breath. Josh with Riding Hisun Life. Today we're going to install a Wes Industries cargo box on the back of this brand new 2026 Guardian 750. It's going to be an awesome install. Stay tuned for all the details.
Kick up the dust and let it fly with a little mud on my tires and you by my side. We'll spin through the night making memories we'll keep with the moonlight shining down on this country beat.
Riding Hisun Life.
That's how we roll in this back road paradise, baby.
So if you were watching the channel, you got to see that we got a box given to us by the Wes Industries. They gave us a box to install on this brand new 26 Guardian 750. And we ended up having to ship off this back rack to them so they can make their custom mounts for them. I've already got one installed. They give you 4. And what you'll end up doing is putting one at the front, one near the back, same on the other side, back and the front. And they end up going right in the holes you'll see here provided by Hisun. They go on very slick. This piece comes up from the bottom, okay? Goes up underneath, comes through the hole, and you'll see a bolt sticks on it right there like that. You just tighten that down with the nut. That holds that in place, okay? And then when you get to the box, whoopsie. When you get to the box, inside the box, you'll have that coming through the hole that you drill, and this will tighten it down inside the box. And that's the easy install that you're going to have with these Wes guys. They make everything nice and easy. All you got to do is buy this extra mounting kit whenever you buy the box, and it's just that easy to put on your bike. Okay, so once you've got your bolts in the holders of the rack, you're going to take your box and set it on top. You're going to find out where you need to put your holes. Okay? So what you'll do is you just set it right on top of the bolts. Take a little paint marker and mark the bottom of it where the bolt holes come up and touch. Okay, I've already done that. And what you'll see is when you open up the box, you'll see where you put your holes. There's one right there. I'll see if I can get you a light on here. Okay, there's one right here, another one here, there's one further up there, and there's another one up here over here. Best to distribute them, the 2 front corners and the 2 back here. That way you'll get even distribution of bolting it down and it won't want to rock or try to fall off. Okay? So what I can do now is I'll try to get it on here with my one hand. If I can't, I'll have to put you down, put it on, and I'll show you back again what it looks like when it's on. Okay? Okay. So I ended up wrestling it on there. We got, you can see the bolts coming through here now, okay? So what you're gonna end up doing is you'll get 2 different size of washers. Now this is the inaugural kit going out. They might switch all to these size, but what I'll end up doing is I'll use these bigger ones up front there, okay? There and there. And these smaller ones in the back. Okay, there and there. And then you take your 4 handles and they all just twist down on the bolts inside the box. Okay, so it's pretty easy to actually put these on. When you get that bolted on there, you're going to find that these just come popping up through there nice and easy. Okay, and all you got to do is take this, turn it on. It's really easy. It just comes up through there. You put that on the end there like that. Give it a couple of turns. Turn until it's tight, until you can't turn it no more. Bang, just like that. All 4 are in and mounted on. So when we close the lid, we have an installed box on a brand new Guardian. check it out, guys. Still all kinds of room to get in and on the machine. The passenger now has a nice spot to put their hands. Okay. Don't even have to remove the stock hand guards. If you ever want to take the box back off, easy. Just take those 4 off and it comes flying right off of there. Easy peasy. Okay. Now, I want to say one thing about Wes Industries. They also include heated grips for that. You can wire them into the bike, and that way, when the passenger's on the bike, they'll have these nice hand guards to deflect all the wind. They'll also have a heat in there too. There is kits for those as well. And one thing too that's really nice about this box, when you guys open this up, check this out. Okay? Doesn't touch the back headrest at all. Just awesome. Look at all the room in there. And then I say you can carry a nice jerry can for your extra fuel in there too. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And guys, guess this too. Check this out. This is lockable too. So you can put your stuff in there for overnight. If you go out and you're at like a hotel or something like that, you want to keep all your gear, lock it right in that box. You'll never be able to get that out of there. Pretty great, eh guys? Now what I want to show you too is I'll get on this thing and I'll show you. Okay? Look at this. Look at that. That's just lots of room. All kinds of comfort. Still get all that storage. That's exactly what you're looking for. Now take this out. It doesn't overhang off the bike. It's perfect in its location. It's exactly what you're looking for. I'm telling you guys, you can check out these boxes from Wes Industries. Check that out right there. These are made in Canada, quality products. Okay, everyone, well, that's the install. That's how fast that install is. It's literally minutes. You could probably have that on your bike in 20 minutes. Easy. Especially with that new kit that they've installed, like those quick connects. Those are a game changer, guys. You got to get that. I want to give a big thanks to Wes Industries for sending that box up here. We got it installed for them on the brand new Guardian 750, first one done here in Canada. And I'll tell you guys, it fits perfect. If you're looking for an option for a box for your brand new Guardian, check out Wes Industries. I'll put their information in the description below. And yeah, that's Josh riding Hisun Life. Man, is it cold here in Canada right now? Minus 21 degrees outside. Boy, can you not see the breath on me? Whew, she's cold. Bringing you great content. Keep watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button, like, share the video, and we'll see you in the next one.